guys, today I'm going to show you how we can enable Incognito mode in the 4 most popular web browsers in the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. So in the first step, at the start, the Google Chrome, the most popular. In this web browser, just click here on the arrow icon or 3-dot icon and choose new Incognito tab. That's it. The next one, Firefox. I have to pass the setup. Just click on the zero mask. If the background is purple, that means you are in the Incognito mode. The next one, Opera. Just click on the tab icon, switch to private, and click on the red plus. And the last one, Microsft Edge. Click on the 3-line button and choose the new in private tab. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.